What is your daily food? कौन खाया हुए like कराते हैं?
My food habit is very controlled and more or less you can say is bit regimented.
Okay.
So I am a very small eater.
Okay.
I don't take much food and very regulated way.
घरे कौन खांदी कौन भल पांदी?
See, I always go for some kind of physical activities. As you know, I'm a passionate golfer, so almost 5 days a week I play golf in the morning.
Early morning. Yes.
Yeah, early morning. Rest 2 days, trainer comes, they do my stretching or maybe physical exercise. So all 7 days I do some kind of physical activities. Then I believe in those naturopathy, you can say. So amuka patra, samuka manji, chavanapras, haladi, so rasuno, ଏଗୁଡ଼ା ସବୁ ମୁଁ raw ଖାଏ.